Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We can start now. I will concentrate about some points in our lectures. The first points I would like to refer about this. We have maximum reinforcement ratio and the minimum reinforcement ratio. This is important to understand this. You should maintain these values. 4% for interior columns, 5% for exterior columns, and 6% for corner columns. You understand this? This is important for me to understand the maximum area steel ratio, maximum reinforcement ratio, 4% from area of cross sections of the column. You understand this? Muhammad, I will explain the short column in the beginning, and after ending our lectures concerning about short column, we will explain in expedite way the design of views. Okay, Muhammad?
Okay, doctor.
Okay, we hope because you understand what we will explain now. Okay. We can through our lectures, we will transfer or move for solving the problems. Okay. This is steps of our design of short columns. The first step, if you have dimensions or not know dimensions of the columns, which means I haven't any information what is length and width of the column, width short dimensions and the long dimensions. Okay, we can assume in the beginning area steel of the cross sections equal 1%. 1%. Okay, okay, 1%. 1% from area of cross sections. Okay.
Okay.
Second step, P ultimate is equal 1.4 D2 plus 1.6 livelihood. The first step, we have equations, we have formula. We should maintain this formula. This formula comprises area C, FCU, F yielding. You should maintain this. P ultimate is equal EC practice 0.35 FCU plus 0.0067 if yielding. This is equation. You should maintain these equations to solve our problems. Okay. After that, we can get area C. Area C. We have area C. We can calculate reinforcement area C. From this equation, you can get AC. Okay. After getting area C, you can get area steel. Area steel is 1.01 area C. Okay. This area C is called area C required. Area C required. We have conditional. We should, this value is bigger than 0.006 area C chosen. Area C is chosen. What is the difference between area C required and area C is chosen? Choosing means
area still required. It's what you pick. You decided.
Okay, very good. Good. Area C required means what is this requirement for design. Area C choosing with this about decisions. I decided to take this dimensions for the decision can be get this decision from architectures. Okay. After ending of these steps, we will transfer to get the straps. Steps diameters. Okay. Yes. How to get these steps diameters? These steps diameters maybe this conditional 8 millimeter or 10 millimeters. In the actual situation, we get 10 millimeters. Okay. In most cases of our field, in our field, we can get diameters of strips is equal to 8 millimeters. What is the means of S? S is the distance between strips. The strips and the strips doesn't increase to 200 millimeters. Okay. Okay, Asma. Okay, this is okay. Okay. We will transfer to the last steps for solution our problems. Just a minute. Okay, I will clear our slide. Okay. Check the strip volume. Its equations. N. What is the meaning of N? Number of strips per meter.
Number of strips.
Okay, good. Multiply area strips. Multiply parameters. Parameters is a parameters of area strips. Parameters means 2A Z B. Understand? It's simple. A B. Okay. This should be bigger than this relationship. Point comes 0.25%. This is bigger to 5.25% volume or 2.5 multiply P multiply T. Okay. In our solving problems, we can see all these steps. Okay. To understand, we will transfer to an example. Okay. Okay. And design is the tidy columns. Tidy columns mean rectangular columns. Rectangular columns is the same terminology of tidy columns. Okay. You have axial compression loads, dead load, and live load. This is material properties. 35 and 409 Newton per millimeter square. Okay. We have. I ask about where area C unknown. Yes. Yes. We will return to the slide. The slide. The previous slide. Oh, these steps. If you maintain the steps, you can solve these problems easily and adequately in our exam. Okay. 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 The first step, we get dead load of B ultimate. B ultimate means 1.4 dead load, 1.65 live load. We get this value. After that, we can area steel is equal 0.01 area C. We can write this formula, and from this formula we can get area C. And after getting area C, we can get this. You should consider about this part. This value of area C.
I have a question.
Okay, you can go ahead. Go ahead.
FCU and FY, were they given?
Yes, FCU and FY is given.
They were given in the question?
Yes.
That's 5 and 400.
This and this is given in our example, our equations.
Okay, what about the 0.35? I don't understand.
That is
what can you repeat please, Asma?
I don't understand the one you circled. To assume ASC is equal to 0.01. Where is 0.35?
Yes. To understand design of concrete, we have a lot of assumptions. Asma, a lot of assumptions. This is assumptions. Area steel is equal 1 area C. Assumption only.
Okay.
Assume, Asma. So in
Okay.
our exam, I give you a hint. If you haven't, if you have any missed information, you can assume.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, and Asma, 0.35 is given
0.35.
in the equation. That's part,
These equations.
is part of
But
the
this
equation.
is.
These equations. These equations.
Oh,
These
okay.
equations.
Okay.
These,
Part of
Okay.
but this
it's
is
not
assume. I will clear this. This is
Okay.
assume. But
Okay.
this is
the
equations.
equation.
Don't change these equations.
Yeah, it's part of the equation.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. After this, we can get this back. We have some mistakes from our colleagues. In most cases, you can forget to convert kilonewton to Newton. Okay, you don't forget this. This is kilonewton, and
Okay.
this is value Newton. Okay, you
Okay.
should multiply this value in 1000. Okay. After this, we can get area C. Area C is, we can call this required. Okay.
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 If assume also assume B is equal to 250. Okay, we can get the thickness of
The beam.
exactly in Arabic بالضبط. Exactly. T is equal 568. But this is difficult to create this in the field. So we will we assume as 600.
100.
So in the final, the dimensions of area C to multiply. Okay. Okay. Understand these steps?
Yes.
This area C choosing. Okay.
Okay.
I will clear.
Area still
Area
required.
C required is bigger than area C choosing. Area C choosing, what is the value? This. And this value is maintained. It's constant. 0.006. Area still required this value. If this value is bigger than this value, it's okay. You can choose this. We can choose this from table.
Wait. I have a question.
Okay.
250 times 600. It's okay. It's a choosing. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good. After this, we would like to get the value of the strips, volume of strips, and the number of strips to resist the shear. So I will omit it. This okay. We have to have strips. We can assume diameters of strips is equal 8 millimeters. Okay, spacing 200. So okay. Just a minute. This is 600. This is 250. We have strips. Okay. We have another steps. Because this is, if we have constraints, doesn't increase than 2. What?
250.
to sorry, to
250.
250.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So
The 10.
we have two strips. Strips A and strips
Outside.
B. Okay. Strips A is
Mm.
this strips A. Strips B is this strips B.
The
Okay.
corners.
Okay.
Okay. To give parameters, we have equations. We have equation to apply this equations. What is equation required? Volume is equal n number of steps areas
Steps.
t steps multiply the parameters. Multiply the parameters. We showed this volume is bigger than 0.25%. Multiply P, multiply T, multiply 1000, which means this is equal this. You should maintain this value. Okay? Okay, Shabab? Okay,
Okay.
yours? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, parameters. How to get these parameters? It's easy. I have just a minute. I will clear. Okay. We have this. This is column 600.
Mhm.
Two dogs strips. These dimensions, what?
550.
550. Okay. This is
Yes.
dimensions
5
250. So this
550.
dimensions is
200.
200. The first strips 50 and 200. Second
Mhm.
strips
250 and
250 and
200.
200. Okay, the parameters here 2 multiply summation 200 and the 550. Okay, and this 2 multiply 200 and 250. You can get parameters 2400. Okay. I would like to explain what is the meaning of volumes. It's easy to understand. I'm going to explain this. The strips, the strips, the strips, strips. I would like you to give me the volume of strips in this distance. 1 meters.
Distance.
Okay, this volume. Volume means parameters multiply AST. You can get this plus this plus this plus this. How? By multiply n still multiply parameters. This is meaning of our concept. This volume should be bigger than 2.5.
2.5.
I would like to explain n. How to get n? What's the value of n?
Strips 200 total length of the column.
Beta over 4.
5. We have okay.
N is equals to
yes. This is 1
5.
meters.
This is
1
pi over
meters
7.
divided
Over 4.
200. We can get 5.
5.
Okay. This is after ending this, you can draw these figures to explain, to show the dimensions of strips, and to give us the we have two strips, kind of strips. Okay. This is one type of example of our lectures.
Doctor,
Okay.
you wrote, please go back to the drawing. Here's ASC, each diameter of 16 millimeters.
Can you read small, please?
Here.
You ask about this slide or what?
Yes. its diameter of 16 meters by the right, but yes, the line, its diameter of 16.
A diameter, yes,
Is it?
this. Ask about this.
Yes, where?
Okay, from table. I will give you in the exam a table to get
Okay.
this. Get what is the tables? Just a minute. I will send the tables after lectures. Okay. Just a minute, Ismail.
Hello.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Where reference of book design I can't remember where. Okay, Asma. After end of the after end of our lectures, I will send you the tables of AST. Okay. Okay. We can discuss about the second type of questions or problems.
Okay.
If we have dimensions, oh no, okay, which means point. This equation is the same. This equation, these equations is the same. These equations. I will explain. Okay, I will explain to understand. Okay, so just a second. This 0.35 FCU area C plus 0.67 if yielding if area S. If area S is equal, if area S is equal 1% area C, you can substitute here. So P ultimate is equal 0.35 FCU area C plus 0.67 multiply 1 divided 100 if yielding area C. And we can get area C as outside of practice. So 0.35 FCU plus 0.0067 FEL. So this equation is this equation, but it is the main equations without any assumption about area C. Okay? Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay. Check that. This is the first we can get area C because we have the value of area C. We have the value of area C. We can get area C. Area C should be bigger than area steel minimum. What is area steel minimum, شباب? Yes, شباب is now a big curve. I called any students شباب يعني. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Area C minimum is equal 0.8%. Just saying. I will close. I will close. I will think because of